Every time I scroll through LinkedIn, I notice something interesting. Big Four hiring ACC. At first, I thought ACCA is just another finance qualification. But then I kept seeing it again and again. The curiosity led me down to the rabbit hole, and what I found out completely changed my view of how I look at global finance. So, in this video, we are going to explore what is ACCA, why lakhs of students are investing their time and money in it, and is it really worth it? I am Anjul from Quintage. Let's get started. Let's travel back in 1904. In Britain, accounting was like an elite club. Only well connected and rich people were given entry into it. But then came ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. This was to break the monopoly and let anybody with talent enter the world of accounting. The spirit of democratization is what made ACCA what it is today. A global body with 250,000 members and 500,000 students across 180 plus countries. To put it into perspective, it is like having the entire population of Iceland and Malta together pursuing the same qualification. In simple words, if accounting is your passport, ACCA is your visa free stamp that helps you travel and work across the world. Let me explain this with a story. Meet Aisha, a 22-year-old Delhi girl who dreams to work in a multinational company. But she does not have the budget for a 30 lakh MBA abroad. So she chooses ACCA. Here's how her journey looks like. She starts with applied knowledge level, where she learns basic accounting and business. Then comes applied skills, second level of ACCA, where she learns advanced subjects like tax, audit, and financial management. Finally, strategic professional level, where she is tested on advanced corporate reporting, strategy, and ethics. Parallel to exam, Aisha also works part-time because ACCA requires practical experience. And here comes the good part. Within 3 years, Aisha has completed all her exams, built her CV, and landed an interview at PwC. And suddenly, she is not competing for Indian roles. She is eligible for global career in Dubai, Singapore, UK, you name it. That's the power of ACCA. But here are few things most people won't tell you about ACCA. No doubt ACCA gives you global footprint, but ACCA does not make you a statutory auditor in India. That means you cannot sign audit reports. For that, you need a CA license. ACCA alone is not enough. Also, while in MNCs and Big Fours, ACCAs are highly in demand, in local small firms, often this recognition of ACCA is limited. Also, it's not cheap. If you add up the exam fees, the coachings, the study material, the cost can add up to 3 to 4 lakhs. So yes, ACCA does open doors, but it is not a golden shortcut. You need to be very sure of your career goals before investing. Think of it like buying an iPhone. It has amazing features, works globally, but is pricey. If all you need is WhatsApping and calling somebody, then a normal phone can work too. But if you want to develop an ecosystem, then the premium is worth it. So, if you really want to calculate the ROI and understand if ACCA is really worth it, we need to break down the salary prospects ACCA brings in. In India, fresh ACCA affiliates can earn around 6 to 8 lakhs per annum in MNCs and Big Fours, whereas with few years of add-on experience, this can rise to 12 to 15 lakhs per annum, especially in cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, where core global finance roles are concentrated. Step outside India and the numbers jump. In Dubai, as a fresh ACCA professional, you can expect to earn 8,000 to 12,000 dirham, which roughly translates to 2.5 to 3 lakhs of Indian rupees per month. In UK, at entry level role, ACCA professionals can earn around 28 to 35,000 pounds annually, whereas for senior roles, this can rise up to 60,000 to 70,000 pounds annually. Of course, the salary depends on your roles, your career growth, the industry that you're working in, But think of it like this: you invest 3 to 4 lakh rupees today, and the first salary that you're drawing is 6 to 8 lakhs rupees annually. So, within the first year or 2 years of working, you have actually recovered the whole cost of doing ACCA, and after that, it's just compounding career growth. That's why I like to call ACCA delayed gratification investment, where you are not getting rich overnight, but the time and money that you have spent is going to give you compounding results, and the returns are going to be higher and higher. So, is ACCA worth it? Yes, if your dream is to work in big fours, MNCs, move abroad, and if you're somebody who wants to have a global footprint in the career of finance. But if your goal is to be a statutory auditor in India or find the cheapest route to a stable job, then ACCA might not be the right choice for you. So, in short, ACCA is not for everyone, but it is a passport for someone who wants a borderless career. And if now you're thinking, okay, this sounds interesting, I would like to explore that, I would like to do ACCA, but I don't know where to start, then that's where Quintech comes in. We break ACCA down in structured modules, case study based teachings, and concepts that actually sticks. You can find the links in the description to figure out if this is the right journey for you. If you are a dreamer, don't just dream, take the first step. If you found the video informative, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe us for more informative content. Drop your queries in the comment section. See you in the next video.